Did you know that over 60% of inbound leads never turn into paying customers? And it's not because they're bad leads, it's because businesses are handling them the wrong way. If you're getting inbound leads but struggling to convert them into sales, you might be making one of these 5 common mistakes. Most business owners work hard to generate leads through paid ads, organic marketing, referrals, but if your follow-up process isn't dialed in, you're leaving money on the table. In this video, we're going to break down the 5 most common mistakes that business owners make when handling inbound leads, and we're going to show you how you can fix them to start closing more deals instantly. Number 1, waiting too long to follow up. Most businesses take hours, sometimes days, to respond back to leads. But here's the truth. The chances of converting a lead drop by 80% after just 5 minutes. You see, people's attention spans are short. If they filled out a form or if they called your business, they're probably checking out your competitors at the same time. The fix is you use AI automation and live transfers to instantly connect with leads the moment that they reach out to you. See, the faster that you respond, the higher your chances of closing the deal. Number 2, not pre-qualifying leads before talking to them. Time is money, and not all leads are worth your time. If you or your sales team are wasting time on cold, unqualified leads, you're hurting your close rate. For example, a business owner spends 30 minutes on a call only to find out that the lead has no budget or isn't ready to buy. The fix is you have AI-powered pre-qualification. That means before a lead is sent to your sales team, the AI can then ask the right questions, filter out the tire kickers, and ensure that you're only talking to serious buyers. Number 3, relying on manual follow-ups. Many businesses still rely on manual calls, emails, or texts to follow up with leads. The problem? That leads go cold fast. If you're wasting hours or days to follow up manually, you're already too late. You gotta automate your follow-up sequences with AI. Instead of chasing leads, let AI handle the nurturing process, sending personalized messages and reminders at the perfect time without lifting a finger. Number 4, booking appointments instead of connecting live. Appointment-based sales sounds great in theory, but here's the problem. Up to 50% of scheduled appointments turn into no-shows. See, when a lead books a call for later, they might lose interest, or they might forget, or they might get distracted. Every delay lowers the chance of closing the deal. What you need to do is you need to skip the appointment game. Instead of waiting days for a meeting, use live transfers to connect with leads in real time when their interest is at its all-time high. Number 5, not tracking and optimizing lead data. Most businesses don't track their lead response times, conversion rates, or customer behaviors. If you're not measuring it, you can't improve it. For example, a business owner that spends thousands on ads but has no idea which leads convert best or where their bottlenecks are. Now you're totally throwing money down the drain. What you want to do is you want to use AI-powered analytics to track every interaction from first contact all the way to the sale. This allows you to optimize your lead flow, fix the weak points, and scale smarter. Now that you know the 5 biggest mistakes that business owners make when handling inbound leads, it's time to fix them and for you to start closing more deals. Do you want to start using AI-powered live transfers and automation to eliminate no-shows, speed up follow-ups, and convert more leads? Well, then go ahead and click the link below to check out the exact tool that we use. Also, join our free community group, AI Leverage Builders, at AILeverageBuilders.com, where entrepreneurs, marketers, and sales pros are all using AI to automate, innovate, and scale faster. Lastly, guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a strategy that can transform your business. Guys, that's it. This is Frankie. Let's go ahead and build smarter, scale faster, close more deals, and I'll see you guys in the next video.